How to find specific group disappear in messages settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find specific group disappear in messages settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select any group you want, like this one, and then click this one on group profile here and stop, and click this one disappear in messages. Click on it and then just click here you can manage it and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.